Kasim. We are from International Business Management Study di Luhur University.
And we want to explain to you about the mean, median, modus, and qualitative research with step-by-step and with the examples.
Look at it. Hi Bella, why your face like that? What's going on? Can you tell me?
Ari, we will have final test. But until now, I still don't understand about qualitative research. Last week, when Ms. Entis asked to you what is qualitative research, and you can explain it correctly. Now, I want you to tell me what is qualitative research and give me the example so I will know what is qualitative research. Please.
Okay, I will explain about qualitative research. First, I want to tell you about definition. Qualitative research is study based of post-positive philosophy used to examine the condition of natural object as opposed to experiment in which the research is a key instrument. The sample of data sources is done purposefully and snowball collecting technique with triangulation data, combination data analysis, instructive of qualitative. And data qualitative research bestow exercise the meaning of generalization. And this second characteristic of qualitative research according to Bogdan and Biglen in 1982. Qualitative research has the natural setting as the direct sources of data and researcher is the key instrument. And B. Qualitative research is descriptive. The data collected is the form of what or feature hidden than numbers. And C. Qualitative researchers are concerned with a process rather than simply with customer or product. And D. Qualitative research then to analyze the data instructively. The meaning is the efficiently to the qualitative approach, and based of this characteristic, it can be again here the qualitative research done in more natural condition, as opposed the experiment directly to data sources and the researcher is the key instrument. Qualitative research more describe the data collected the form of word of image, so do not imply the number. And C. Qualitative research had more emphasis of process than on product or outcomes. And D. Qualitative research performs inductive data analysis. And E. Qualitative research emphasizes more meaning, the data behind which the overcipher. So I will explain about example qualitative research in the education. Research content on the role of principal in teacher coaching. The research focused in the principal opinion of the teacher, what was experienced in developed in the teacher, why the teacher failed to develop, and why it happened. In addition to seeking information to principal, researcher seek information from the teacher. As the compressed material based on the characteristic in the can be concluded that quality. 5 research are from the field based on the natural reference, mean not on the theory. The purpose of qualitative research in education is to describe on the series of educational process, activity based on phenomena that occurs the field each them become an interesting topic to be studied in order to find the problem of weakness, shortcoming so that by the research later can be found in profound import.
Hi Ari, what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm going to work median, modus, and mean, but until now I still not understand all this. Can you explain how to make example median, modus, and mean?
Okay, Hari, I will explain to you about the median, mean, and modus. The first, I want to explain about the median. There are two kinds of median. The first is the group of data, and the second is single of data. And we will discuss about the group of data. The first is median, and the formula of the median is median equals B n per L per P multiply by C, and TB is mean, lower edge of median class. And for the F is number of frequencies before the median, and the F is the frequency C class length or interval, and the last number of or the total. Next, I want to explain to you about the data from students' range from elementary school and junior high school, and the interval or class length is the first 30 until 34, 35 until 39, 40 until 44, 45 until 49, 50 until 59, and 60 until 64. And for the frequency, three until 34 is 8, 39 until 35 until 39 is 10, 40 until 44 is 13, 55 until 59, 17, 50 until 59, 14, and 60 until 64, 11. So all of the frequency we should sum it and get 80. So first we should find the median. They are 18 from the frequency, and we should divide it into 2 and into 14. And the second, we added the formula into the second step. Because this is this is 40, and we should find the interval, and we get is the median or the middle of the data. So it's 45. 45 show 45 show minus 8.5. So we get the result is 44.5. So we should put it in here. 80 is from the frequency here, and because the frequency is F is number of frequencies before the median. So we should look in here. It is 30. So we put in here 17 gets from the middle of the data here. And the interval of the class is 5, and it's calculated. Next is the single data of the median of data. And the formula is median equals x n plus 1 per 2, and x for the value of the data, and n is amount of the data. So we can see it is the example. There are 5 numbers of this data, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is called the odd data. And the first we should calculate it. And for the amount of data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we put it 5 plus 1 divided into 2. So we get the 6 divided into 2 equals x3. And the second step, we should sort the data from the smallest until the highest. So the 2 is x1, 3, x2, 5, x3, 6, x4, and 7, x5. So because we get it x4, x3, sorry, it's made in here, so we should find the x3, and the 5 is the result. This is the single of data of the median. The previous step is the odd of data, and now we will discuss about the even of data. And the formula is 1 per 2 x n per 2 plus x n per 2 plus 1. And the example, there is a data, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then there is 10 numbers of in one data. And the formula, we put it here. The formula we write it and we calculate it. And for the amount of the data, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we should put it 10 divided into 2 plus x, 10 divided into 2 plus 1. So 10 divided into 2 into 5, 10 divided into 2 into 5, and we also plus it 1. So 1 per 2, x5, and x6. And the second step of the data, we should sort the data from the smallest until the highest. So we can see all of these, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x9, x9, and x10. So after we sort the data, we put it in here, the median. 1 per 2, x5 plus x6. We see in the second step. The second step, there are x5 and x6 is 170 and 171. So we should put it in the x5 and x6. We should plus it both of them, and the result is 351. So 351 should be divided into 2. The result is 170.5. And there is the median of single data, of even of data, but I have the second steps is more easier than this. Here, this is the same of data like this, but the difference is we should sort the data first, and after the data is short, we should find the median like this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we get it 170 and 171. So we should plus it and get the 170.5. It's the same like we use the formula. It is all of the step. It is up to you. Which one what do you want to choose? The step 1 is the formula, or the steps 2. And the next is mode. And what is mode? Mode is value that appears most often in a set of data. And in this mode, there are two kinds of data. Is the first group of data, and the second is single of data. But now we will discuss about group of data. And the formula is mode, or we call it modus, TB plus D1 per D1 plus D2 multiplied by C. And the TB is the lower H mode class. D1 differences between frequency mode and the previous frequency. D1 is differences between frequency mode and after frequency. And the C class length or interval. And in this step, I will give you the example. The first, this is there are the intervals and there are the frequency. The interval 30 until 34, 35 until 39, 40 until 54, 50, 45 until 49, 50 until 54, 55 until 59, 60 until 64. And the frequency 8 for the use 10, 13, 17, 14, 11, and 17. And all of the frequency we should place it, and we get the result is 80. After that, we should find the TB, D1, and D2, and the C. TB is 44.5 because the previous one in the median, we find the middle is in here. So why is 54.5? Because 55 should minus with 0.5. So we get it 44.5. And D1, look in here, difference between frequency mode and previous frequency. Look at the frequency. The frequency is 17. Here 17. So, and the previous frequency is 13. So we should minus it with 13, and we get it 4. And the D2, difference between frequency mode and after frequency. The frequency is 17, so we should minus it. Sorry. This is 14. We should minus it with 14. So we get it, the result is 3. Class last the interval, so 5. Here, 5 until 49 is 5. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So we get it 5. So we put it in the formula. And 54.5 plus 4 per 4 plus 3 multiplied by 5. 44.5 plus 4 per 7 multiplied by 5. So the result is 47.36. And then I have the second steps. This step is the easier one. So I have the data in here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of data. So we can the mode is back to the definition of the mode, value that appears most often in a set of data. So we should find the appears most often. So the number is mode appears. So we find in here 3, we just find it 1. 4, we get it 2, and 5, and 3, 6, 1, and 7, just 1. So we should find the most often number. So we get it 5. 5 is 3 times in this data. And there are some steps of the mode. You can choose the anyone. Thank you. Next is we will discuss about mean. Mean is average of all numbers, and it is sometimes called the arithmetic mean. And the formula in mean is fi multiplied by xy per fy. And for the f is the frequency and x the middle of value. And this example, You can see here value 3 until 5, 6 until 8, 9 until 11, 12 until 14, 15 until 17, 18 until 20, 21 until 23. And the frequency 3, 4, 11, 4, 8, 5, 5. And we should plus it until 40. And the middle value, or we call it x, y, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22. And we should put it in the formula here. But the first, we should calculate each other. And after we calculate this and this, all of this, and we can get the result 535 divided 40 because the frequency is 40. So when we divide it, so the result is 13.38. And the second example, interval, frequency, and middle value fy multiplied by x. 0, 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24. And the frequency 5, 8, 1, 4, and 2. So we should pass it until 22, and the middle value 2, 7, 12, 17, 10, 20. And in the same state, we should multiply f multiplied by x. So 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, 8 multiplied by 7 is 56, 1 multiplied by 12 is 12, 4 multiplied by 17 is 68, 2 multiplied by 20 is 44. And we should pass it in, and we get the result is 190. So we put it again in the formula. Fy, f multiplied by x divided into f, again this is the frequency. So we get it 190 divided into 20. So we get it is 9.5.
I see.
Okay, do you understand?
Okay, I understand. Just a joke. Thank you. Okay guys, that is about qualitative research and
Mean, median, and mode. Thank you for watching.
okay, I hope our video make you understand about qualitative research and medians, mean, and mode. Thank you, bye.
Get them dead, dropping like flies around you. If I get your body close, not letting go. Hoping you're about to tell them other guys they could lose your number, you're done. They don't get another shot cause you look drunk, like a TV show playing reruns. Every chance I get, I'ma turn you, my it girl. Baby, you're the shit girl, loving you could be a crime.